This is Krish. Welcome to our channels PVSK Cooking, PVSK 1, PVSK 2, PVSK Education, PVSK Entertainment and PVSK Experiment. Today we are going to see very wonderful features like updates and also calculator types and also alarms and clocks and also game bar. So it's very useful to I think to us. So let us go to the how to get the update in security. It's very easy. Click on start button and go to the settings. So in that settings it shows update and security. So in that update and security is very important to update our operating system, and updates will come. So here it's very important. So Windows updates like this, and go to the here advanced options, so we can set the date to as per our requirement. So this is the very useful thing. So this is the history of update, and also how to get the calculator is very useful. Go to the search bar. So here cal, so when you click give is cal app is open like this. So this is the calculator. So it is standard calculator. If you want to change the scientific and graphic and graphing and also programmer and also date calculator, so different type of calculators is available which you want to change. So this, and also we can see the alarm and clock. It's same, likewise same search button. So here search button and go to the alarm and clock app. So when you click on that, this is very useful it's very useful to know the different locations time. So here if you want to know difference between two locations as per time, so it's very simple. So here as per India it shows like this. If you want to add location, click on that. For example, when you give Tokyo, so Tokyo, Japan, so it's added. So here 12:04 a.m. now, but in India, so 8:34 p.m. So this is the difference between, to know easily like that. But it's very useful for more people and to know the difference. So between two areas, not only two, among overall the world, we can know that. For example, I can add Australia. So here Australia or Australia, if you want, for example, this, when you want add this. So here Australian time in USA it shows like this. So if you want to delete that, so it's here it shows as a bottom garbage icon. So when you click on that which you want to remove, click on that and remove that. So it's very simple like this. And also finally how to record the game in your Windows 10. It's very simple. Window button plus capital G. So it's give for a different view. So when you want to this, so when you give again once again, so Windows button plus G. So see this. So this is the capture and recording. So and also voice if you want to, and also here CPU performance is here. So it's very useful. So different features to know performance also for game recording, used for game recording. So thank you very much. Please do subscribe our channels. So click on that close button, so like this, close this, so automatically close. So like this it's closed. So please do subscribe our channels, PVSK Cooking, PVSK 1, PVSK 2, PVSK Education, PVSK Entertainment and PVSK Experiment. Thank you, please do not forget.